And another dream called the bicycle, also from Randy. I walked into a room where coworkers, Linda and Gary from the past, were working on a bicycle on a green pedestal. The clamp holding the frame was gold. They were putting on the wheels and aligning the frame. The machine beeps once the bike is in perfect alignment. Once the machine beeped, I took the bike down and took it for a ride. It felt good, natural. The old saying, you never forget how to ride a bike, is true. I only wobbled once while negotiating a tight curve, but recovered quickly and without effort. Okay, so we'll analyze this dream. You don't tell us about Linda and Gary, so we can't really say anything about them. But bikes are about balance. They're about the heart, and you even talk about the balance in the dream because you wobbled, right? So it's about expanding yourself through working on your heart, healing the issues around your heart. Green is the color you mentioned in the dream. It's on a green pedestal. And green is the color of the heart chakra. So even that alone would tell us that you're meant to work on your heart. And then you say there's gold in here somewhere, isn't it? Anyway, I know there's gold. The clamp holding the frame was gold. So, okay, so that's about healing. Healing for your heart. That's what this lifetime is about for you. Healing for your heart. And you get into alignment. And getting into alignment is really about getting into alignment with your higher self and the frame of your life purpose. Because you talk about the frame. We plan our life and we plan the framework. We plan like who our parents are going to be, who the major players in our life is going to be, who you're going to listen to in your life. Indeed, you listening to me on this show, that would have been planned. Otherwise, it wouldn't strike home the way it is. And so you are talking about getting into alignment through working on your heart, because that's where alignment works through. It works through the female side. Your female side is always connected with the divine, but we often block it. And when you have a blocked heart, and by blocked, I don't mean physically, I mean where you have a wall up to protect yourself, so therefore don't want to listen to any feelings, etc., then you are pushing yourself out of alignment. And this dream is you restoring that. So something you're doing recently is good and is working. And that's great. Quick look at the time. Thank you for watching this clip from the Dream Interpretation Podcast. If you want to hear the whole show, there's a link directly under this video. Please like and share with your friends, all of your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the podcast at thedreaminterpretationpodcast.com. That's also where you can submit your dream to the show and have yours featured. You can also download my free dictionary that has thousands of symbols that will help you understand the meaning of your dreams. Thanks for listening.